American English 101, Mastering the Art of Fillers. Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video in the series dedicated to helping you polish your conversational English skills. Today, we'll delve into a very special aspect of American English, the usage of fillers. Fillers are words or sounds we use when we pause to think or when we're unsure about what to say next. They are an integral part of our speech patterns, especially in informal and conversational English. Let's get started. First, let's understand what fillers are. In a conversation, we often use certain words or phrases to fill in gaps while we're thinking about what to say next. These are called fillers. They may not carry a lot of meaning on their own, but they help make our speech more fluent and natural. Moving on to our main topic, we're going to focus on some of the most common fillers used in American English. You've probably heard these before. 1. And These are used when a speaker needs a moment to collect their thoughts. Example: I think I left my wallet at home. 2. Like. This is often used to introduce a quotation or an approximation. Example: I was, so surprised to see him there. 3. You know. This filler is used to seek confirmation, check if the listener is following, or emphasize a point. Example: I just couldn't believe it, you know? 4. So is often used as a filler at the beginning of a sentence when a speaker is deciding what to say next. Example: So, I was thinking we could go to the movies tonight. 5. Anyway, or anyways. These are used to change the subject or get back to the main point. Example: Anyway, let's get back to our main topic. 6. Right? This is used to check if the listener agrees with the speaker. Example: It's a great day, right? Remember, the usage of fillers is not a sign of weak language skills. On the contrary, knowing how and when to use them can make you sound more like a native speaker and enhance your conversational fluency. However, overuse of fillers can also disrupt the flow of the conversation or make your speech sound unprofessional or uncertain, so it's important to use them sparingly. That's all for today's lesson on fillers in American English. I hope this video has helped you understand the role fillers play in everyday conversations, and I encourage you to practice using them in your own English conversations. As always, remember to strike a balance and avoid overusing them. Stay tuned for more videos to help you master the English language. Happy learning, everyone!